Okay, well, I've been coming since it was short A ball and the park was first built. This is Wiley. He's been coming to the game since opening day 2004. So as I'm leaving for opening night, I look down and say, what can I bring with me? And he's looking at me with his big brown eyes. There you can see his eyes there. They look real sad. So I said, all right. We came along, bought some ice cream, ate it, cleaned out the hat. He's been wearing it ever since. And that night, Juan Tejeda, it's a Grand Slam homer. I got a picture of it from up behind the stands, and I came running down, put him on my hand, jumped up. Photographer from the Times News is here. I work third shift then. I go into work, the paper comes out, guys go out and get it, and they say, were you at the ball game last night? I says, yeah. They said, well, you got your picture in the paper. So I figured, well, it's in the sports page. No, it's above the fold, full color. He's above the fold, I'm below the fold. A couple days later, I saw Brady Lewis from QLN at the Erie Playhouse, and he comes over to me and he says, who's your PR guy? We do everything we can to get coverage, and all you do is take a puppet to the ballpark. And he's been coming to most of the games ever since. And when I don't bring him, people say, well, where's Wiley? We need Wiley here if we're going to win. So he's been coming a long time.